Wanna play a game? Me too. So let's play a game. You see, I had a drummer friend once who stripped his entire drum set down to just bass drum, snare drum, and hi-hat. His idea was that limiting options would force you to be creative within the same space. Well, we can do the same thing in FPV. Think about the guys who always fly the same spot and know all the best lines. They've forced themselves to be creative in that one place. So in order to not waste time on the sim or LiPos in the field, let's set some parameters of our own. Down below in the video description is an MP3 track. That MP3 track will give you very specific instructions what trick you need to do when if you play it during your flight. If it says power loop, power loop. If it says hit all of your gaps knife edge for the next 20 seconds, all of your gaps are knife edge for the next 20 seconds. You can do tricks in between and make it your own. Am I talking too much?
Yeah, you're right, Kmart. You gotta just shut up and fly.
Yeah, he's right.
Our first trick track. Arm. Here we go. Easy level flight. Rubik's Cube. Hit all gaps backward for the next 20 seconds. Power loop that shit. Half Matty flip. All of your gaps must be inverted for 20 seconds. Split S, rewind. Land the quad and disarm. Arm the quad and take off. Fly in reverse. Turn around. Fanny roll. Begin in orbit. This is Kmart FPV.
Oh, you noticed. I'll give one of these away at 200 subscribers. Like, subscribe, and check out this next video.
All right, there you go.